I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Well, morning all. Today we have a Mitsubishi Colt CZT. Shut up, Jason. We have a Mitsubishi Colt CZT in for a remap. Now it's had a bench map and it's having all sorts of boost and limp mode problems because they can't control the solenoid properly. So we're going to map this, custom map it with the Ecutek software. If I can control my phone, there she is. So we're going to get her done. Go through health checks, etc. first and see what we come up with, and then do a power run, check the AFRs, and then start custom tuning it. So we shall let you know how we get on. Here we go. So it's got a custom cat back, a nice little tip on there, but other than that she's fairly standard. So let's pop this bonnet and have a look. Okay, so we've got an induction kit which is all right. These are the K&N MAF adapter, so that will help. But other than that, yeah, it's fairly standard. But it looks nice. It looks a pretty clean one. You can always tell whether the ECU's been out because the tamper-proof bolts have been replaced. So the ECU's been out for a bench map, which sucks. But yeah, let's get this one. Let's get this one healthy again, and then we'll show it off at the CZTOC Owners Club. If you're not in a Colt club yet, make sure you head on over. Facebook, CZTOC, lots of Colts are there, loads of people to help you out. So if you've got any questions, either fire them at us, at the Facebook page or the YouTube channel, or get yourself on that Owners Club group and ask away. Right, I better get this strapped to the dyno then and get cracking. Okay, so there we have it. The red line is the bench map on this Colt CZT, and the blue line is the custom Ecutek Dynodaze map. So on the dyno, making sure everything's okay, which it is. Healthy car, makes healthy power. As you can see, we've gone from 159 brake to 203 and 176 foot-pound to 213 foot-pound. Yeah, top stuff. About 40 brake horsepower at the wheels. There you go, proper tuning, done properly. Give us a shout if you want to book yours in. And do not get the bench mapped because no one knows what they're doing. Cheers, guys.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.